Hi, this is Debron, and this is a brief review of the Hero Honda Hunk 2012 edition, which now comes with a kickstart. This is the vehicle. I bought this on 7th of this month, and let me quickly, let's say, visit you to the superficial changes which is apparent on this bike. The first thing would be the kickstart. You can see here a full-fledged kick lever is being provided, and this is really helpful. Means my plans for getting this vehicle was a bit in a dilemma because of the absence of this kick lever in the previous version. That's a 2011 version, but now as it is there, I believe this hunk is the first model which rolled out of the showrooms in Bangalore, and I bought it most probably. Apart from that, the look wise, everything is quite the same. This is the front side, the wheels, and importantly, the instrument panel, which remained the same. It's the fuel meter on the left, the tachometer in the middle, and a digital display on the right with speedometer, trip, total kilometers, and a clock. The clock is a very important tool. From the back again, nothing specific, everything is the same. Just Hero logo here and there has been scattered all over the bike. That's it. It's just 1 week, so I am not commenting anything on the performance but anyway, a 1 week experience I'd like to say is it's awesome. It's a very good bike. It's the bike which I went for. Several people told not to go for this bike. Several people said it's not a good bike and everything else, but I followed my instinct and I got this machine, and I can say it is really a beast on the road. You really feel very good while driving this because of this high seating, comfortable seating, not high seating, comfortable seating, and the muscular hunk flaps. You can see that this is the exact position if you sit how you would feel. Well, hunk is having a very good name for the prompt start, so let's see that. That's it. You can hear the engine noise here. Well, a word of caution to all the people, all my viewers of this video. If you are going to buy a vehicle, obviously you'll be going to a showroom, and if you see that the cost structure which has been produced to you, you are not very confident with that, you feel like there is some kind of cheating going on, you are most free to contact the regional office of your area. I did that, and astonishingly, the problems I was facing was the accessories part. It was told to me that it is compulsory, I need to have them. No test drive was provided because hunk is quite a underrated vehicle and the demand is quite low. Only very selective people go for hunk, and these showrooms doesn't keep hunk in stock. So as there were only two pieces, or sorry, one piece was there, so they denied giving a test drive. And lastly, there were some extra charges also in terms of affidavit and NSC, which the showroom means referred to as, if I'm staying in a rented agreement, I need to produce these documents for the RTO to pass. I escalated these issues to the regional office in Bangalore for Hero MotoCorp, and they took care of it, and I didn't pay a single penny on any of this. So I advise you, if you see any discrepancy, if you feel like things are not good in terms of the money, remember it's your hard-earned money. So you can escalate the issue to the regional office of your area, regional MotoCorp office in your area. You can get the details in the Hero MotoCorp website, and always check the price in the Hero MotoCorp website before going to buy the vehicle, because approximately there will be maximum 1000 rupees or 800 rupees difference from the price mentioned in the website and in the showroom. So go for it, and wish you a happy ride. That's it. This is Zebran Gupta again signing off. Thanks for watching this video, and ride responsibly, drive well, always wear a helmet. Thank you.